Oh yeah, I forgot Nana's in front. Said the guy walk faster. When Nana's in front.
It's cold tonight. Just walk with your Nana just so she doesn't fall.
Where are you dropping them?
Nana's surviving.
And you walk just in case she falls.
Hold on, she doesn't need a walking stick. She needs a staff.
What?
A staff. Right how cool you'd be walking around town. Somebody must be using the car.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh.
Thank you. Yoshika.
Yay. Oh, just crying. It's Josh's cat. Oh. Wait, what's the picture there?
It was a good surprise.
Yay.
Well, you're in it then, let's see you in it.
What about me? I'm resting a cuddle. Then I'm making a picture for that. Right.
You have to look at the back first.
Look at the back first. What about me? Yay.
I don't know whether he'd better drive it because he says he's had a taste test or something.
Oh, yeah. Josh,
Oh, you're all right.
there's something else in here for you. Open the boot on the floor.
On the floor there. Put your boot there. Is it open?
No. Can't go anywhere without them.
Thank you.
Good surprise.
Yeah.
Sorry, Rosie, we can't have this in. Josh is going driving tonight.
Wait, what?
The money I took off his insurance and everything.
It's all insured. It's all insured, it's all taxed.
So you can go driving.
The kids have cleaned it up in your garden.
We polished it, cleaned it, spruced it up and everything.
We've got some issues around.
What about everybody's like being cleaning it? Kai and Rosie. We're going to give Nana a hug. Have to put him on.
Is he going out today?
So your money that I took was for your insurance. I had to sort your insurance out without you knowing. I had to sort your tax without you knowing. We had to find the car. We had to go and get it up. We've been cleaning it.
Does he know that he's going to go out driving?
He knows he's going out driving. He's going to put him on now.
Yay!
His journey starts.
Where do we put them on?
You just stick it anywhere.
We need the...
No, one goes there.
Oh.
Yeah, just all squished.
It's a feel official now.
Yeah.
They might slide off.
Yeah, but we're not going fast tonight today. I want to show him how to drive. No, we're only going slow.
You have to wipe your eyes because I need a proper photograph of you next.
Cat, get out! Cat, get out.
Only two ways then.
Get out. Dad,
It's for his car.
are you crying?
Wrong when we get wrong.
I'm hot.
Too cold for little Nelly.
What do you think of his little beast?
Do you know what we called it?